12th of July 2021, and I will be once again taking a look at Bubs Australia, because there's something happening on the stock price at the moment. There's a potential breakout of 50 cents mark, and that if that happens, the stock could run well above 65 cents, potentially even reach $1 within the next few months. So let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies, BG Trading and BGS20 strategies, to know when to buy and when to sell a stock, how we use those strategies to create and set up targets, how we avoid FOMO, how we know when we should set up stop losses, and much more. So if you like the way we trade, please subscribe our channel right now and hit the like button. We also have a free Facebook group, which I'll be putting the details at the description below. Now, let's jump straight into the chart. Just before that, we have already covered Bubs Australia 2 weeks ago, okay? And if you go to our website, bgtrading.com.au, at the stock analysis, we also have a Bubs Australia. It's normally a lot of those analyses are for VIP members only, but I will make available Bubs so you can take a little look what we think about the stock overall from the fundamental perspective as well, not just from the chart. Remembering that this is not Bubs. Remembering that we only trade stocks that we believe are not just into a strategic buying position, but also there is some great fundamental behind the scenes as well, because we don't want to buy a company that is sinking or just going in the verge of bankruptcy or anything like that. We want to make sure the company we buying, we trading, is a company that has also a great compelling growth prospects as well. Now, Bubs Australia, some of our VIP members are actually trading Bubs Australia since this sort of bullish intersection here. So now we have chosen A2 Milk over Bubs Australia, and the only reason was because A2 Milk was also really, really cheap and also face very similar sort of problems than Bubs Australia, because diagonal channel and also China sort of closing borders with Australia. But A2 Milk is a New Zealand company, and that could be is likely better odds against to this sort of problem in between the relationship between Australia and China. However, the compelling information that we have about Bubs Australia is that it is entering into US market. In September, we start selling its product through Walmart and Amazon US. So this could be a breakthrough revenue for that that will be for sure a breakthrough revenue for Bubs Australia, and that's exactly the kind of news that we wanted. Furthermore, the revenue is also been increasing as year on year for Bubs Australia, and then you can see again, like you can see through our website analysis what's happening with the stock from the fundamental perspective. Now, using our indicators, there's a couple of things I want to show here. So this yellow line here, this yellow channel here means what we believe could be it is actually what we believe it is the resistance level of this stock at the moment. The resistance around 49 to 52 cents. That's what we believe it is. And now, obviously, what we wanted to do is we're looking at a possible breakout of this in the next income days. When I'm talking about the next income days, I'll talk maybe another 2 or 3 days or sometime this week. So I believe this could be a break. If it breaks through 50 cents, it could go all the way to 65 cents, and then could be another 20% opportunity for traders that bought the stock at the last bullish intersection here. Okay, so now what are the only red flag we have here? anyone that buys the stock applying our strategy. The only red flag we have is the fact that stock, according to our strategy, is trading around the FOMO area. The FOMO area for the stock is when anytime the stock is trading over 10% above the SMA. It's hard. Ideally, we want to avoid buying any stock that is trading above 10% or more above SMA. And at the moment, Bubs Australia is trading 22%. So I want to make sure you understand that clearly. Okay. However, in the same time that it is trading 20% above, it is still trading 69% below the all-time high last year. 69%. That's quite a lot. And that's why we have to give a little bit of a tweak on the strategy here, just because this situation, and it is a company that is a growing stock as well. It's a growing company that has great fundamentals as well. Now, what you gotta be mindful, okay? So first of all, you gotta make sure, you gotta confirm a breakout of this channel here, okay? Once it breaks out, let's say with a green candle just like this, okay? That's what we want, a green candle. Just do my pretending green candle here. So I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, so if that happens, then we have a breakout. Okay, and then very likely the stock gonna go straight in to next level. Okay, now if it doesn't happen, we will have maybe another few days trading around this level, trying to break this 50 cents channel, and obviously either breaking or come down to meet SMA again. But the good thing is the SMA will no longer be trading, be sitting around 40 cents. But if the stock keeps on this level, it will bring the SMA closer as well, and therefore we could be no longer into the FOMO territory. Yes, FCMA moves as well as the stock. Okay. All right, so this is two things to do. I'm very bullish on this stock, to be honest. I believe they could potentially hit 75 cents within the next 3 months, and even $1 within the next 12 months. Okay, if the company proven to be effective entering into U.S. market this September. Okay, so it's a great perspective, and then not to mention that the whole sector, the whole consumer defensive sector, is a sector that has been highly affected by COVID, and also stocks like this, especially as you compare to A2 milk, for example. A2 milk, for example, is still trading significantly lower than the all-time high last year. Okay, both great companies. Obviously, A2 Milk is a much mature company than Bubs Australia, but because this chart formation and the fundamentals and the fact that I believe there could be a lot of money flowing into this industry very shortly from investors, already being actually. There could be definitely more upside than a downside for this stock. Saying that, the last thing I wanted to say is every time you enter in a trade, if you are not into this yet, so make sure you have a stop loss. And my stop loss would be just under SMA, just under the red line here. Okay, if it hits there, then the stock could be fall a long way down still. But I don't think that will be the case. So I'm here to see what's happening next few days. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Let us know what you think about Bubs Australia, the whole sector, and I'll see you in the next video.